Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang as the title suggests, and before I do that I just want to welcome everyone who is tuning in right now to just watch your girl do her thing. Thank you so much. So yeah, so those who are new, welcome, and feel like you're right at home. Feel right at home. I will not let you down. Yeah, so here we do some random videos. We do try on hauls, we do fashion videos, we do beauty, we do what have you. Just go look for my first YouTube video. I have explained everything and what this channel is about. But for those who are day ones, thank you so much. Keep the momentum, keep viewing my videos, keep sharing. We are on the way to 1,000 subs. The journey is not easy. The journey has been difficult. It has been having its ups and downs, but you know what, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna brave through. We're gonna fight. We're gonna keep soldiering on until we get to our target. The target for this year is 1,000 subscribers. So guys, please support me, please take me there, and you know what, I'm gonna give you guys what you deserve, because I know you deserve the best. So guys, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang today as the title suggests. I'm gonna be trying the spicy noodles. It's not a challenge, it's not one of those challenges that I see on YouTube. No, it is just something that I want to try, and I thought it will be good to set it up as a mukbang. Okay, so I went to Chandarana Center the other day, and I was looking for the hot spicy noodles, the ones in a sachet, but I did not get it, unfortunately. So I got an alternative. I got this Neoguri something cup noodle soup, and it has been termed as hot. I'm not sure if it's that hot, as they say. And then the flavor is spicy seafood. So I can't wait to I found it so interesting. For those who have ever tasted this, maybe just comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I don't know, this is gonna be my first time to try this particular type, the spicy seafood, and the cup noodles. I've never tried the cup noodles. I only taste the sachet ones. So this is gonna be so interesting. So I'm gonna be coupling this with an egg and a cup of milk, cold milk, just in case it's just too hot for me to handle. Yeah, so I can't wait to try it, guys. I can't wait to try it. So it's gonna be a mukbang, but then again, it's gonna also be a review video. It's gonna be a first time tasting this kind of thing video. So stay tuned, don't touch the dial, don't go anywhere, and watch this video till the end. And you know what, I'm your guy. So with no further ado, let's get started. We're gonna go and prepare this together. Okay, yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so guys, I'm in the kitchen, and they said on the sachet that I should boil the water first, so that's what I'm doing. So it should be boiling, it should boil. So guys, I don't know if you can see me very well, but this is how it looks. I hope you can see me. So this is how it looks, and I'm supposed to the directions are here. They say I should open the lid halfway, add soup base, pour boiling water to the inside line, close. Okay, I don't even know where the soup, okay, there it is. So I guess this is the soup base. I don't know what this is. Let me see. Open the lid halfway, add soup base. No, yeah, that's the soup base. And then pour boiling water up to the side line, close the lid for, okay, I don't know what this is, guys, but I'm gonna leave it there. So they say I should Oh, you can't even see me, guy. There it is. This is the soup base. They said I should open it halfway, so I'm gonna be doing this very fast. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? Hope I will like it. Crossing my fingers. Then they say I should pour boiling water or whatever to the side. Oh my, I'm doing this in a very messy way. Okay, and close the lid. I've closed the lid. Now I should wait for yeah. So guys, I don't know how many minutes it has been, because as usual, as you can see, oh my people, I don't know if I've messed up or what. No guys, I should be fine right now. You should be able to see everything on the table and everything that I'm doing. I think 4 minutes is up. 4 minutes is up, definitely. Alrighty, my people, 4 minutes is up. Let's get this thing going, you know. So, okay. I should do this. So guys, I don't even know what, okay, I can see the noodles, but I can see also some things inside. Guys, I don't know if you can see my soup well. This is how it looks. So it's supposed to be spicy. It doesn't smell, it smells like seafood, which is really good, but it doesn't feel spicy at all. Okay, let me try it. It has very mild chili, very mild, nothing like spicy here. If this is the type of hot, guys, there are bits of things inside. I don't know if it's tofu or what. Okay, let me do less talking and more eating now. It's not hot. Don't let anyone lie to you that this thing is hot. It's very mild. So guys, I think the noodles are okay. Actually, I prefer this than the regular noodles because this is just so tasty. But when it comes to the spicy, it's not spicy. Yeah. Um. Hope you can see me, guys, as I'm enjoying my food. It has funny things inside. Guys, look. What is this? Oh, I think it has bits of seafood in it, which is really interesting. But I don't really know what type of seafood that is. I wish they specified. And it also has some veggies. It also has some veggies inside. And this is not the kind of food you can eat and get satisfied. One thing I can say about this is the flavor, the seafood flavor is a 10 out of 10. It is like flavored very, very well. You can feel that it's like you're eating seafood. I love seafood, guys. I love seafood so much. I love seafood, but I don't know how to make a seafood boil. If any one of you knows how to do it, please just write for me something. In Kenya, I don't know. I just know eateries where I can go grab some, but I don't know where to get like raw seafood to come and prepare at home. If you guys know any of these places that I can get raw seafood to come and prepare at home, that will be a very interesting video and I will really appreciate. Please leave a comment down below, please. I'm almost there, guys, almost there. I've eaten all the noodles and all the bits of seafood inside there. Now, I'm remaining with the soup. I don't know if you can see. I'm remaining with the soup. Yeah, the noodles are not hot. They're not hot at all. The noodles are spicy, yes, but they're not as spicy as I thought. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go and look for the spicy noodles, the ones that are, the famous spicy noodles. I'm gonna go again and look for them and see if I can get some. Okay, now let me drink the soup. The soup is spicier than the actual noodles. I think when you put the soup base, it all goes to the soup and the flavor is really infused in the soup. So actually does something here. The hotness, you feel the hotness down your throat, not on your tongue. But it's tasty. Guys, there's this thing. What is this? What is this, guys? Can you see? I can't eat this because I don't know what this is. Actually, I don't know what, apart from the noodles, every other thing that is inside here, I don't know. So you actually feel it. Yeah, it's not spicy. I'm not coughing because it's spicy. It's not spicy actually. Okay, it has some spice to it, yes. But I'm not really coughing because it's that spicy that it's making me cough. It's because, like, when you drink the soup, you don't feel the hotness on your tongue. It all goes here. Na pia imeninyonga. It almost choked me. So that's why I was coughing. Sorry. Whew. Interesting. Oh, so that's why people take this with milk. Now I see. The milk is doing a good job. It's soothing everything down like really fast. Now I see why people who do these challenges, like the spicy noodle challenge, why they usually have like a glass of milk. I'm usually like, see, they just take water. I'm a cold soda. But you know, thinking about it right now, taking soda is gonna elevate the spiciness, the feel of hotness on your throat or on your tongue because of the gas of the soda. So yeah. It's funny because you don't feel the hotness on your tongue. Very funny. You feel it right here. So I don't know why that is so. I'm done. Don't want you guys to say, oh, she did not finish because it was too hot. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Now I can slowly sip my milk. This is now the best part of it all. Taking my milk. Oh my goodness. A little piece of heaven on earth. Wow. So cooling. Oh my good Lord. This is amazing. So guys, I'm trying to see the so I can see it has like cuttlefish. I don't know what cuttlefish is. It has shrimp. Yeah, I tasted something like shrimp inside here. And then it has tuna. it has sea bream, it has yeah, I think those are the things it has. So yeah, it has real seafood in it. It has shrimp, it has, I don't know what, it has tuna. Yeah, but overall I'm not disappointed at all. The only thing that it lied is that it's too hot. It's not hot, it's not that hot. It's something very bearable. Even a 5-year-old can bear that hotness. It's not bad. So yeah, that's my, I will give it okay, it's not at it, hey, it's so nice, no, it's nice, it's okay, it's good, it's better than the your regular Indomie noodles. So so because I love seafood, and because they did a good job with the seasonings and all that, and there's actually seafood in there, I will give it an 8. I'll give it an 8. A 5 because I love seafood, and the other 3 is because they kept their word to some point. But the hotness is relative. So mine, I might think it's not that hot, someone else might think it's hot, someone else might think it's very hot. So to me, it's not hot, it's not at all. So an 8 for you. So guys, that marks the end of my little mini mukbang. Thank you, and review, mukbang stroke review. I hope to get more and more and more. And you guys, if you support me to reach to a point where I'm monetized and I can get these things, these things for review, even the makeup products, skincare products, and all these other products. I'm a big fan of reviews. So if you can support me by subscribing and sharing and subscribing and sharing and liking and engaging on my videos, then I'm gonna reach to a point whereby I can get monetized and start earning, so that the money I get from YouTube is gonna go back to YouTube, in that I'm gonna invest heavily on my videos, so you guys can get really, really like quality good videos, okay? But for now, I'm not in a hurry for monetization. I'm doing YouTube because I really love it. I really enjoy, putting out videos, and seeing you guys engage, seeing people subscribe. It really, really makes my day. It makes me feel like, what, like I should continue and do my best. So guys, I wanna thank you so much for getting me to 150. So now let's push to 500, and then my target this year is 1,000 subscribers. If you can get me there, I'll really, really appreciate. And when I will get to 1,000, as I said on my previous video, I don't know which video that was, I said when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna do a cash giveaway, because I really don't know my subscribers for now, and I don't know what kind of gifts they will love, but I'm gonna do a cash giveaway. So get me to 1,000 subscribers, and one of you is gonna walk away with cash, okay? Or I'm gonna either cash or spa treatment. So let's fight to get your sister to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I will keep my word. I will keep my word. If I don't, then you can you can do what you please, but I'm gonna keep cash or spa date. One of you guys is gonna get that, or 2 or 3, depending on what I'll have in my pocket at that time. So guys, oh my, I've rambled. So guys, see you on my next video. Stay tuned, keep subscribing, engaging. I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye.